Ile pass wangele pana wacheza gele pa manje gele pa pana manje. Yena gele pa ikambule gele pa simuladi sashisa gele pa sababa upele pele. Ikanda gele pa ngobsi gele pa kuichiza gele pa ezayo gele pa wacheza. Yena gele pa chuna. Rageswana gele pa manje gele pana bezejani gele pa nipola gele pana simuladi. One for the party gele pa ichiza upele onzo.
Swabate, as I was alluding about the importance of not conceding in the first 5-10 minutes of the second half. Junior Academy have been just gone and conceded, yeah. But look at that beautiful raw club that move. Look at how they combine the link-up play, the combination. They complemented each other out on that right and blank side. Look at how he managed to bypass that defensive third. And Jonesy, the midfield maestro, the former Komora United FC midfielder in the ABC Mutsipe, sensational, finding himself in a promising area and put that ball into the back of the net. When you know the know, you will know how to know, because the know will let you know. Know that you know the know. The know has made you know. But there is pressure, pressure.
Yena pa manjagale pa nikole muvagale pa na tosh makayisa. Renga pa na chola gale pa na manjagale pa na defisa. Renga gale pa na prenzo mele bega pa defisa gale pa na bechume na pamele. Ankanda gale pa na bega pa na season gale bega. Yena gale pa mashati gale pa na kola gale pa ati de artist. Angwaje. Renga zabana pa na ati gale pa na chola yena gale pa na manje tosh kanyisa makanyisa. Renga zabana pa na terra matera. Anga pa na terra pa na manje pa na chume na mega milioni. Offside ili page mega pa itugulu amsizga do pepe. The party panga mega da pa itugulu amsizga do pepe. Watigela pa wana mega mamilioni. Yendo mshabo kuwegela pa umwele. Pigela pa ukoko la pana kesa ngempela gela pa ekamereni. Kala panze gela pa ipola kabibi. Ningeza la pa ukabibi gela pa insizo gela pa uyena de fixa. Ichacha gela pana de fixa gela pana banda pana chuma la pambele. Kala gela pana ipola gela pana chora banda pana uguzo gela pa simnandi sashisa sababa supele pele. Kilimanjaro.
Well, Shamate, outside of your picture, on the far side of the field, 3 players of Simnandi Sashisa are warming up. And there's another promising aspect. The sensational midfield maestro who plays for Midlands Academy all the way from Midlands. Mshinizetu Metoyando. He was part of that Pirates Cup competition and he was playing, of course, for Midlands Academy under Chipa. Oh, what an exceptional player, I tell you, one. Incredible in the sense of some of the subs that are going to come on and change the whole complexion and the stature of the game.
Sibona ke manje lapha iphula ke manje la kaMahlatsi balithatha ke manje lapha nasiyibona abanike manje nasi isigebenga sitshontshayo bathi Jehova noJehova balithatha ke manje lapha lebhola bazowenza njani nawo balithatha ke manje sebakhwabanisa abafana beJunior Academy habo ke manje Mutsetse Repa mega million imali ipoko mega million Uyabazama lapha na Mutsetse Repa the mega million kancane ayaphuzwa lapha na msekhokokhulu eyisopo lapha emva kwami ngiloko ngokutshela ngithi intshebe iyahlonishwa habo ke manje lapha abahlaba abacela babona ke manje lapha bona
more aggression, more decisiveness as well. And he gives the ball away in a very unorthodox area of the pitch. The one only punished there is Simnandi Sashisa. And Junior Kenya will certainly need one more goal here to pull the game into another dispensational side and open the game up here. One goal for them will open this game up most certainly.
Uyabona ngokutshela into ongayazi wena shwabathe namhlanje isikhwama versus Blackberry. Isikhwama versus Blackberry. Oh kaze upuspu
British alithatha-ke manje laphana ibhola abafana be-Junior Kanye Academy ababangena mamiliyoni alidla-ke mayisigebengu Driver Jehovah Driver no Jehovah.
Exceptional in terms of showing strength, and look at the body posture of Skebengu. You can see that he's not a player that has a lot of physique, but he most certainly protected the ball very well there.
Sibona ke manje lapha la phula ke manje blended balqala ke manje lapha na 40 Driver Jehovah Driver no Jehovah yabona ke manje lapha na emuva abahlaba balicela umfana ufana no Pogba uyalibhala ke manje simnandi siyababa emuva ke manje lapha simnandi siyashisa nani Grootman abeka phansi ke manje bazofuna the friends of Skebengu benza njani ke manje abanga de fixa Shala ke manje lapha de fixa Paul Pogba hanto ke manje lapha na ibhola lasencenga Junior Kanye Academy de fixa walitrapha ngomqolo lo mfana lona uninye oyisine ulitrapha ngomhlane ibhola engiyayisabi ifocusini kuyafiwa la emva kwami wehleza.
Which will enable him, but he's on his feet. That tells you of the soldier inside of him.
Sibona ke manje lapha la phola bazolenza njani na iphola ke manje la kasemeletho ubona ke mabafuna uSkebengu alitshontsha ke manje lapha la phola haba ke manje lapha sebazoyenza njani na ali phoka Thera wenza njani ke manje Thera alithatha ke manje lapha Junior Kanye Academy emqeni wecenter bafuna ke manje lapha Gift Mphoya Badimo aloko lapha kuyazama mfana uGift hlangana ke manje lapha noKabibi nawe uKabibi bona ke manje lapha Driver no Jehovah akalitholi lapha Skebengu alibona ke manje 40 bafuna Paul Pogba mude lo mfana ushaya outside foot alithatha ke manje lapha hawu nangu tso nayi le ndoda yaseDeep Kloof kuloya mhlaba wami bathi Deep Kloof kinyoko yabona ke manje lapha nebhola labo uBenedict Vilakazi ke loyo once a pirate always a pirate bona laba bayeza bazama ke manje lapha hayibo abafana simnandi siyashisa siyababa supelepele Grootman emuva ke manje lapha futhi basencenga uyeke manje emkaka bafuna ke manje ude fixa ukhona uSkebengu ude fixa de fixa umlungisi ke lo Wanchu sibona ke manje lapha la bhola lizobuya na abalithatha ke manje lapha futhi Paul Pogba the magical Paul Pogba uzothola mana uPaul Pogba alithatha ke manje lapha uVetisian Monisian Cookies Vetisian Monisi bathola ke manje Paul Pogba shiyangesti Pogba badlala ngabantu abo ke manje lapha ebhola basalithandazela emuva akasiboneke ke manje avuleka amazulu simnandi siyababa simnandi siyashisa kabili bafuna uDriver Jehovah Skebengu simnandi siyashisa abo ke manje lapha kulela bhola bazothola abanina Grootman walithatha abancenga babayenza akhathile amathopu abamtholi Skebengu.
They are protesting Mchomani from the bench. Was that a nudge and a swoosh from behind? But that tells you about the different perspective. But what I most certainly am absolutely admiring what Simnandi Sashis are doing. They're patient about their build-up. They're not in a rush. They're 2 goals up and they're knowing the importance of managing the game. That's of high importance.
One, two. One, two. Uyabona Hleza ukuhlebela nje kancane wehleza ya Someone is in the house.
Yeah, he's definitely. And we know. He knows me very well. I don't even want to dissect him, and I don't even want to nullify something about him because he's a prominent midfield maestro. I tell you for one thing that I loved about Benedict Villaragossi is how he managed to go from his position and be able to take on Skarang Gobesa the late. Oh my God. And nick the ball away and still make the move. And it wasn't.
He's the only player I know who ain't going F5. Jaiva no Jehovah. Jaiva Jehovah. Skebeng. Hadbonaga Majera Pana Ipora. And Tata Mazamo Ultada Zera. Wega Majera Pana de Fixa. Yango de Fixa. Utonaga Majera Pana Hotman. And Zajaga Majera Hotman. Hadbonaga Majera Pana Ipora. Walking and walking. You don't go Jerang at Shuabate. Indota has a tip to whereas the Indota has a tip to the only player I know who want to get F5 is a figure. The F5 is quite the Adidas. Whereas they take him Chelaona. Who want to get Majera Panabazon and Janina. Then little Napoleon. Now go to Majera Panaban Tate Pora. About for the Junior Kenya Academy. How about Kumuka Center? Bazotola Badina. Bazamaga Majera Panabakoka. Vetis and monies and cookies. How about Majera Fixa? Bafunus Kebemo. How about Baez? Bazotola Majera Hotman. Hemufa Majera Pana Kabibi. Kabibi. Atola Manjera Pana, Bantata Pasana, Abacha Hanganez, Bona, Sheva, Hababaez, Unababaez, Abonagama Junior Kenya Academy, here so dear, Bangatoni Kologlinganese, Bangatola Pana, Nanituba.
That is an exceptional save on the near post. Kabibi doing a fantastic job there. But I lose them Chomane. They get a goal here is Junior Kenya Academy. It opens up the game most certainly. And it's game on here. It's game on here, Chomane. Burst will change the whole intensity and the tempo. Look at the move as well that led to that most immaculate World Cup move. Come on, Chomane. Come on.
Swonaga Majera Pana Puranaga Vetis and Moniz. Pumenaga Panjera Pura Tritwa Simna Disia Shis. Koga Majera Pana Pura. This is a Posoda Pana Junior Kenya Academy. Bands is Sopo Remanje. Bapera is Sopo. Gumene to a team chemistry. Abonaga Majera Panamenga. Jaiva Jehovah. Where Georgia Skebemo.
You'd be lucky not to get a caution because that is most certainly deliberate. Nudge and pulling up a shirt on Skebengu is very effective, I tell you. His pace and bursting pace is immaculate out on this right and flank side.
Where's that up and take me to Valhalla? And Tataga Majera Pana Purabo. Bazuenza Janina. Obona. Unababaeza. Bazotola Marina. Jaiva Jehovah. Jaiva no Jehovah. Jaiva Jehovah. Eu see the Romfana. Atala no de fixa. Nango de fixa. Bam fixa Wasena. Abonaga Majera Pana. Simnandi Siababa. Siashiza Supere Pere. Wabona Shobate, Dumfana Chesina by Devon, Jaiva Jehovah Skebeng, and Toga Majera Pana, Hippolan Juanga Makanda, when days attack I call upon my captain, and Krita Remanje, Bafuna Manja Samen at your fields, Bafuna Jaiva no Jehovah, and Tagamanje, Krita Little Pulare, ho, Agasmone Remanje, Jaiva Jehovah, Jaiva no Jehovah, Jaiva Jehovah, Ulquazanga Toro, Jaiva no Jehovah, Tagamanje, Jaiva Jehovah, Skebe, Uskibemo, Jaiva no Jehovah, Jaiva Jehovah, Jaiva Jehovah, Jaiva Jehovah, Altata Manjera Pana Pora, Pasafun Uskibemo, Altola Manjera Pana, Namukina, Altata Manjera Pana Forte, Hilo Rotmane, when the Janiga Manja Rotmane, when the Pura Manja, Sim Chamona, Haibu.
And that's what's of vital importance, drawing the attention to open up the half spaces, the common places in the field of play. Look at how they managed to most certainly maneuver a different aspect out on this left and flank side. It threw.
Mshinji Shadog and Amishenza. Get up and now with a big crazy drum. Umshabatiri. Young Chiefs is in the house. Newcastle Shanganani is in the house. Mudagasi is in the house. 18 members is in the house. What more do you want? Ukminya Ugwani. Futukminya. I accept his money panther too.
Set piece in a very promising area. It's actually going to be a drop ball. FIFA fair play, Shobate. I only salute about one aspect now. Shobate. It's all about you once more. All about the water, the great desire. I'm not saying about any truth. When you know.
The pass one and the Panama Center, the Panamanja, Ipola, the Panamanja, the Panadisana, the Panamanja, the Panamanja, the big upon the Panatola, the Panam machine, we make upon the Panam machine, the Panasim Nansa Shisa, and the Panama the Captain Fisa, and the Pano Captain Fisa, Simnadisa Shisa, and Cool Zagalapa, on to Abagapa Uchi in offside position. With the Look at
the creativity when they get into the final third. Look at the superiority as well. Look at the assumption, because they're not rushing. They're very composed. Yes, they've already conceded. It was a little bit of some poor marking at the back, lots of concentration, and not making sure that they can be able to be first man on the ball. That's how they conceded. But when they have the ball, it's some Nandisa Shisa. Immaculate, sensational.
The Panas coming, the Panas big upon the Panas coming, MP bag the Paus coming, the Panas and I look at the Panas, the Papa Funa, the Mega, the Mega Medium. We have the Panapana Panabazana, the Pana is the Pan Junior, who niggas about the Panamanje. The Palms is going to pick the power shares.
Most certainly an offside. It's a good line that was helped from Simnandi Sashisa. Just needs to time his runs to perfection more.
The Pamanja, the Pana, the Pana, the Pana, Chava, Salas giving Salalova, Salalova, we have bigger the Pana, the passive Nandi the Pana, Let's go to the Panama and take the Panchi, so the Panama to Salas Cabo. Let's get the Panipona, the Pana Pumalanga Panda, the Panawasheva. Shamatama Manzo. I said the Pau no Aquema. Yet calling the Pamu for the Panama Shazo. We niggas about the Panama Fuga, the Panamanja, the Mega Media. We niggas about the Panasura, the Pamanja, we are not going to put in Chiva. We are not going to put Mlungi see the fixer. We niggas are going to put machine, one machine of Kaya. We are going to Panasim Nandisa Shisa Sababa. We niggas about the Panama, the Panatola, the Panchi, the Pana section, and the Panama Bank, and the Pai Poxini, and get a Poxini, Yapim Bagala Pai move for the Panchi, so the power feather.
Sure. Look at the system, the pattern, as well as the trigonometry. I'm also marveled at the diamond shape. I'm also proudly, most certainly, maneuvering something of a Tibetan aspect, because the coach of Simnandi Sashisa, not only is he a technician, he's also a Methodist. He's super orthodox, I'll tell you, Pawan, in terms of this game plan, the approach, and the tactical side of things. But now, they are under immense pressure from media because they're giving the ball away cheaply, and it's making life super, super difficult.
Ile pa ushenza ile pa ngempela ile pa manje ile pa uzosha unqonqe ile pa uzophela ile pa ubomlotha Kilimanjaro, 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 Kilimanjaro. Yebegele pana 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 besana logele pana manja. Ale pana chuna gele pana baba pima gele pana mshire. Ningeza pana pana mshire pana chola gele pana matata. Ninga pana pana manja di chola gele pana lula inchizo gele pana ukabibi.
Clever players well from that last line of defense. Look at how Hotman and Mayaga most certainly managed that intuition, and it fell kindly for Kabibi. What a second half, I tell you, because the first half was a little bit low in terms of the movement, in terms of the pace, the intensity, and the tempo of the game. But the dominance in that outer midfield, and you can see now with the introduction of Mshini wearing jersey number 12. Remember, he was part of the Pirates Cup competition. Is Mshini. He had a phenomenal run because his side, Midlands Academy, went all the way to reach the quarterfinals of the Pirates Cup. It's just unfortunate that they were, of course, stamped out of the Pirates Cup by Pirates, of course.
Le pange pelenge le pani pelenge le pana manje uyenenge le pana manje fixa bene jana lo fatala skebengu jana lo fatala skebengu chupas kedege ko yetata le pana chupas kedege ko le pana chola le pana uyenenge le pa ichizo Yenegele pana gifti, nigga pana feti sena mones, yenegele pana magic color pa mover, nigga pana nati the artist arti, and the panu arti, a pana chuma the pamela pana chola pana seshma corpora kills you a police who can some payment. Yet the pana chola pana shobezi kama, and the pana kama, nigga pana feti sena mones and a car, and the pana feti sena mones and a car, and the pana feti, kama. We had bigger than pana chola the palm shokabez. We had bigger than pana feti ceremonies carry. And the pana seshma corporo. And niggas about the pana chola the palma jagala pa ichizo. Yenanga the palma shase. We had bigger than pana mashase. We had bigger than pana simnadi. Jamas kebego. Jalas kelegeko. And niggas about the pana jagala pana chola the pa ichizo the pa uyenanga pa urabatora. Yegunen chizo the pa isando uza okshungo the pa weteza.
Well, rightfully so, the referee. Let's play continue because the ball possession was on Simnandi Sashisa's side.
Pima na mapima. Yende pa ya show timbe belungu. Iti keten. Msebenzi. Ibonegele pa ichizogele pa usimo mupilo. Yende pa ichizogele pa ikona namhlanje umsebenzi. Yende pa utwaka. Msebenzi. Pima na mapima sheza.
It's a game of a different stature. Shobate, a game of a different complexion. You will definitely need quality players. When you see the likes of Simu Bopela, when you see the likes of Smiso Bopela, when you see the likes of Chaiba Yoyo, when you see the likes of KG Castro, when you see the likes of Rocha Mela, the Mito Maestro from Shawela, when you see the likes of Kolani Nkala, Blackberry, when you see the likes of Stay, when you see the likes of Sputich, it's a game of a different stature. Pima Lama Pima, a game of a different atmosphere, I tell you. Numbers up against Mutakasi. What a more-chilling encounter. It's got me sitting by the edge of my seat.
All right, Shazam. And figure out again, Pima Lama Pima, 355 SF, Pananda Test Sportive, 8 part 2 double check, forget around in him, LPP Zelaga Manyama Pima, as a people get your pamina, Mobang Bono Parage, Illuminus Zulu, Machilo, El Chadu Koala, Namigan Tishichamakia, Kichimagan, Elim Lakona, Parage, Elim Popo, Erenza Kokwana Washington, at some machine to win him, and Namanabatalam from Losa Devanga Shurim, Lokomana Shuranga, about Passin, about Comba straight to detail David on him, Aritanani, Tanani, Intercessor Samuel, Inta Conteno Polo, Erebon Panashana Junior Kanya, Zina 11, Man of 27 minutes, Arnica Domantipala, Archinem, Rita Humela Hunter Polo. Rita Humela de Polo, Tagala Panashana Simnandi, Siashisa, Otuzu coming is Simnandi Sashisa, current champions in Vuselelo under 23 sporting organization. Kulamanche, Baleti Town, Barnaina, Itak remain, Nzirikawana, come Sibi Katina, come Sibi Katina, come Sibi Katina, come Sibi Katina.
Well, he's picked up a caution here for his misconduct. He knows better, most certainly not to interfere in terms of the referee's decision. I think he got himself entangled in some dilemma there. Pima Lama Pima, he let his emotions kind of get the better of him there. That's an unwanted card, and he needs to trade carefully now, because if he is going to pick up another caution, he will get his marching orders. I don't see any showers around here. Pima, are there any showers around here?
Lukhenza kulukumbahleza namina alekuboneni kwabe bathakuma namakase bahlambile ateka khona elichawa eloko atikuma aphikizana nomfambisa Nhlangwa Nzirikawana ichum ekasiphalashana shabafana basimnandi sashisa iwone ekajuna khanya retasuka ngwatipala ngana kabibi ateka risemahlweni enamajazini number 11 kungana skebengo barini kaskebengo baruthanga kupia jara mina retasuka bola sasuka siphalashana shabafana ba junior khanya one the junior wants him 2 Ekaspalashana Shabafana Basim Nanti Sashisa Aringata Wantipala Ati Nalaba Jazina number 7 Rita Humela Handball.
You know, when I made my predictions for Mamelodi Sundowns to make the CAF Champions League final, and I alluded that most certainly they are going to reach the final. And I also predicted that it's really not going to be simple for Pirates to beat Pyramids. And that's what happened most certainly. I alluded that it will be Pyramids up against Sundowns in the Total Energies CAF Champions League. I know that we are in Tableton and might be covering the final of the Junior Kenya Top 8 Best of the Best. But they asked me for my predictions. Mamelodi Sundowns in the final. And I got those predictions right. Mainly because of how they managed the game for themselves. But say never die, retreat, but believe, the faith, that characteristics, the eagerness, the sharpness, and that determination. So now, it's all about who wants to know in this final of the top 4.
Hleza umlungu omnyama oyibekile bayithokalile enkathinje bethamana bangisela nabalandzeli babholo yemlenge erebuleke beteka barikhansa khansa bala shesha junior kanya rekomemana ekungayena ekarabo bateka barisema khamba baribona mthangane ekungana miliano rita humela handball bangani bayilandzile bangani bayitisile erebuleke jezini number 2 emabito mambidaka bariyena terabyte bateka barijati inhloko simnandi seshisa jezini number 8 ariba belena ndajika komelela mngani wamina teka famba Iternikata Wantipala Kabibi, Warkanisa Kabibi, oh Motota, Warteka Kabibi, whatever is Emerson, Simnanti Sashisa, I take a Kansamana, Rita Humela Hankapolo, a 2 Simnanti Sashisa, he won him, Ekaspalashana Junior Kanya, but one by Lanzilla, one by Tisila, but one by Tisila, one by Lanzilla, Bitabangan, Babita Bangan, Babana Tata Samuno, in Sakon, Wapolo, 80 ski, Lasakasi, Tanani, Ita Samuno, Rebecca Simnati Sashisa, Barbara Combozerim, Ita Makala Zaku, Kumana Chazina number 5, Arnica Comona, Aratan Government Ganomina, Osagi Migizagu, Osagi Migizawa, Arnica 27 minutes, Panamo Vom Channel, 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 Erishate Pentosim Nati Sashisa, Kumana Otolman, Patagoba Machine, Barricha Tishoko, Nike, Patagoba Kansa, Panasha Junior Kanya, Chazina number 2, Eternica Comona, and 27 minutes, Kawana, Tamina, Patagoba Parinigo, Kogan, Jenga, Kokomenone, those winners of the bus go round and round, those winners of the bus go round and round, all through the town. Everybody gets Panashana, some of them are Simnati Sashisa. Jezi number 8, Imabito Bambitaka, Mariana Thomas, Warteka Thomas Muller, Nigadana, Arnica Nyagazam Kawana, Kamina, Rita Humela Hunter Polo.
It's most definitely opened up this game. You can tell both teams are most certainly trying to maneuver into an aspect. And the attack on the side of Junior Kenya Academy is just the final product for me when they get into the final third. They need to be composed and need to be very vital, because if they are to get past there, it will be a mountain to climb. They'll need to also dig deep. He's full of trajectory.
Everybody go back to cover the clan. It's a site nating. Pima no pima. LPP zera manya pima. Azapimbe aye pambine. 3255 S. Banana test party. Isanta semfene pat double clever round in. Oya yizo mosi. PEE Black Entertainment. Yase kasi. Au tingi tikumu. Au patata. Iti shelele. Hey, don't. Baby.